Cheryl Glotfelty's essay, Literary Studies in an Age of Environmental Crisis, 1996. Key points 1. Context of the essay, published in The Eco-Criticism Reader, 1996, marks the formal beginning of eco-criticism as a recognized field in literary studies. Written at a time of rising global ecological crises, pollution, deforestation, climate change, species extinction. 2. Need for eco-criticism. Other theories like feminism, Marxism, post-colonialism already questioned culture, society, and power structures. But literary studies lacked a perspective dealing with the human-nature relationship. Glotfelty points out the gap. No theory addressed environmental crisis through literature. 3. Definition of eco-criticism. The study of the relationship between literature and the physical environment. It makes the non-human world central to literary analysis. Moves beyond anthropocentrism, human-centered approach. 4. Core concerns of eco-criticism. How is nature represented in literature? What attitudes toward environment do literary texts promote? How do cultural values about nature shape and are shaped by literature? How can literature inspire ecological awareness and responsibility? 5. Comparison with other theories. Feminist criticism asked, how are women portrayed in literature? Eco-criticism asked, how is nature represented in literature? Just as feminism gave visibility to women, eco-criticism gives visibility to the environment. 6. Focus on material reality. Unlike structuralism or post-structuralism that emphasized language and discourse, eco-criticism engages with real, physical elements, air, water, animals, plants, landscapes. Stresses that literature does not exist apart from the world but is embedded in ecological contexts. 7. Interdisciplinary nature. Combines insights from ecology, ethics, history, geography, and cultural studies. Reads across genres, pastoral poetry, wilderness narratives, contemporary eco-literature, even non-literary cultural texts. 8. Aim and relevance. To highlight ecological issues within literature, to make literary studies socially relevant in the age of environmental crisis, to encourage environmental consciousness and activism through cultural texts. 9. Conclusion. Glotfelty stresses that ignoring the environment makes literary studies irrelevant in today's world. Eco-criticism offers a necessary framework to connect literature with urgent ecological realities. It urges scholars to rethink cultural values and envision sustainable futures through literature.